Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to play Brawl Stars directly in your browser, no downloads required. This method works on almost any device, including phones, tablets, and PCs, and the best part? It takes less than a minute to set up. Let's jump right in. To play Brawl Stars without downloading anything, it's super simple. Just click the link in the description. This will bring you to the page where you can start playing instantly. Now you have two options. Play for 30 minutes without creating an account, or sign up to get 6 hours of free gameplay, which I highly recommend. Once you've made your choice, just wait a few moments for the game to load, and boom! You're playing Brawl Stars for free, directly in your browser. If this worked for you, be sure to subscribe and drop a comment to let me know. That's it for today.